So how I make over $500 to $1,000 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing, as you can see over here, right, on my screen. So all this is from digital products. So promoting basically on Clickbank products like manifestation niche, dating space, relationships, but mostly manifestation and law attraction. Okay, so different products as well as golf niche, survival space. So there are so many offers that you can promote on Clickbank. Now we are doing this with Facebook ads and also Google pay-per-click ads. In some cases, I was also using TikTok ads, but this is all from Facebook ads and Google pay-per-click ads. Okay, so the most important thing when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing is to understand who is your audience. Are they females? Are they males? What are their desire levels and awareness levels? Okay, you have to understand the math and economics behind Clickbank affiliate marketing. I always promote products, as you can see over here, that have really high average order value and upsell take rate. What do I mean by that? It means if someone buy an ebook or course for $50 or $70 on Clickbank, I expect to get also at least $300 or $200 more from the same customer, okay, in the same day or in the same week. This is why we can make the math and economics work with paid ads. Okay, that's the reason why most people just slap some ads and hope it works. In 2025, you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding you, so you can have sustainable income online, sustainable passive commissions, recurring commissions without stress. All you have to do is connect with me one-on-one. You have my WhatsApp number, my Instagram, my email, yes, my personal phone number, all in the description below this video, but you can connect one-on-one personally, so you can copy these kind of results. So we can do it together over the Zoom call one-on-one in the first few days. Okay, all this is possible, is doable, as long as you have 20 or 30 minutes per day to make this run up and running. So you can make 5 or 10,000 US dollars per month net profit as an affiliate, as a beginner, without ever showing your face on camera, without making any videos at all. So let me know after subscribing my YouTube channel, and let's make this happen.